what is the state in React.js? If we're talking about what is state, it's basically some kind of a level of data which we keep and save it for some purpose. Whenever we change some data inside that, let's say, object, your component will re-render automatically. For example, you got some new streak added or new item added, and you don't want a user to refresh your app manually. It will be refreshed automatically. The state will be controlling. Once it's updated, it boom, goes to refresh. That's how React works. That's why it's popular. So we have here habits. It stores our list of habits. Then we have set habits. It's a function which updates the habit list every time. Let's search for this one. Where we have it? Here we have it in add habit. It updates lists. And then we have very similar a habit which tracks what user inputs, and a function set new habit which updates the input field. We have it here as well. On change, it will update the input field. This one just grabs over here as the value of input. That's what it's coming from this function. As it updates, it coming here. Similar with the list of the habits, you have a set habits, which is updating a list of the habits as we have it. Yeah, we have it here in increment streak habit, and we have a set habit. We have a list of the habits. We update this list of the habit, and we use this function to update this, to run over this and update this list of the habit. Basically just always adding +1. That's pretty much it, how it works.